Hi. This is one of Kentucky's legacy, the Noah's Ark. Look at that ark. It's close to reality, the Noah's Ark. Very nice. It measures 400 meters from this point until to the rear point. It's actually amazing. It's really nice. Look at that, guys.